I have an issue with my window power switch here. This one here just stuck in the opposition. So I'm just going to remove it and install the new one. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bagwindy DIY Auto, and this is another video on my Town and Country. I have an issue with my window power switch here. You can see here, stuck in the up position. It goes down, but it will not go up. I don't really have to do a lot of troubleshooting. It's visible right here. You can see it's just not going up. It goes down, but just not going up. All the other windows work. You can see all the other windows work. My side mirror works, and my window locks, and my locks worked. So I can tell this is the issue here. This switch here is broken. Just the driver front is broken. So I went and ordered a new one through Amazon. This one here, and it's going to be an easy fix. This is the new one. Same. Everything is just the same as the original one. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace it and do operational check to make sure the problem fixed. In order to replace this switch here, is very easy. The way they designed it, just to use your fingernails or sharp flat objects and just put it between the panel and the switch and just raise it up just like that. And then the only thing you would have to do is release the lock right here on the connector and just slide it out just like that. So the problem was just this switch right here. This one here spring loaded down, up, return. This one here just stuck in the up position. So I'm just going to remove it and install the new one. Then I can do operational check. And this is the new one here, and I'm going to install it, snap it in. Now these are the locks for the switch and the door. They are spring loaded, and the only thing you have to do, put it back in position and just snap it in just like that. Now let me go ahead and do the ops check. Up, down, up. Let me check my side mirror, make sure my side mirror works. Nice. Let me check my rear left window. My right rear window. And my right front window. Okay, so everything works. So this new switch fixes the problem. And that's it for this switch here. Now I have done this video live before, but I was having problems with the reception, and that really causes me to redo it normally. So if you have seen this video before, because I was having problems with the reception, that forces me to redo it again. So that's it. Now I have one of my subscribers asked me, he noticed that majority of my videos is on this vehicle here, and he wants to know, does it really worth it for how much money I put in it? Well, yes, it does. It really worth it for me because I fixed all the problems on this vehicle. In fact, I used to work for Chrysler back in the 90s. So most of these stuff I'm very familiar with. That really caused me to save a lot of money. In fact, let me give you a little tour on this vehicle here. So 2015, I bought it 6 years ago for my wife, and she drove it for like 5 years and started breaking down. So I decided to take it from her and just drive it and fix whatever needs to get fixed. So I can go ahead and show you a little tour on this vehicle to show you it's still in good shape. Chrysler usually make great products, and this is one of those. This is fully equipped, and everything on this vehicle here works well. And I'm going to show you how everything works. In fact, let me start with the slide doors. So I can control the slide doors with the switch here. And also on the rear gate, I can control the rear gate with the switch here. And also the features that this van has, I can actually lower the seats and the floors. These seats can disappear in the floors. The back seats and the middle seats, I can actually lower the rear seats here and the floors. Let me do it again. First I can, release the headrest, and then let it go forward, and then lower it in the floor just like that. And this one, same concept. See, I can lower the rear seats in the floor. I have a lot of room, and also the second row seat, I can show you how it works here. All I have to do is move the front seat forward, it's all powered, and then I still have the original mats. I put these mats here to prevent my mats from getting dirty. These are the original mats, and then in order to disappear the second row seats in the floor, I will just pull up on this lever here, and then here is the move forward like that. And then I can lower the thing in the floor just like that, and then it disappears. All I have to do is just move this up, and it goes on in the floor just like that. So you understand, you see the concept. Okay, it goes in the floor like that. I'm just showing you the features that this van has. So I disappear down in the floor like that. It goes down. So you can see this van here has a lot of features, and everything still works. Okay, because I fix everything that is broken. I do the maintenance on it myself. So you can see why it's really worth it for me to keep this vehicle. I like everything to be clean and neat, just the way the manufacturer made it. And that's how it is. Then I just slide this thing here back. So you can see the kids, they have a lot of room here whenever we travel on the highway. Everything works. Now these are all heated. These seats are all heated. The front and middle seats are all heated. The switch is just right here. I can show you on this side. Even though we have the power switch for the windows. These individually got their own switches here. And this is the switch for the heated seats right here. Right there. And also all these 4 windows, they have the sunshades. If there's sun coming in with the kids, they have to just put on the sunshade just like that. The second row and the rear seats, they all have sunshades. And also I have compartments here for their DVDs, all their movies. They're big kids now, they don't use them anymore, but that's the features and the privilege that they have. Now the DVDs right here still works. I have a video out there where I replaced the ribbon cable right here. It's still going right there. I still got a movie in it. I will put the link in the description if you want to see how I replaced the ribbon cable on the DVD monitor. So everything works. This van here is equipped with everything you can ever think of. It has a backup camera. It has Bluetooth. I mean, any new vehicle comes out with all the features. This vehicle here can compete with it. The only difference is it's the year 2015. I mean, I drive it to work 40 miles round trip, 3 days a week. So I really don't drive it much. So and you can see everything is intact, clean, just like a brand new vehicle. I do the maintenance on it, keep it clean. Engines is beautiful. In fact, I also have some videos out there where I went in the engine and replaced the lifters, timing belt, timing chain, and I changed my engine oil on a regular basis. So this vehicle here is still in good shape. So that's the reason why I wouldn't have to go out and purchase a new vehicle whenever I go out of town. Like, take this vehicle with the whole family and go to Connecticut, no problem. It's great on gas. So the question my subscriber asked me, does it really worth it? So you can see it's worth it. So here's some more features on this vehicle here. I'll show you. It's also I can operate it with my key fob here, the left side. And for my rear gate, I can go ahead and close my rear gate. Okay, and now I can get the seats back out of the floor and put everything back in. It's a remote starter. This vehicle is equipped with a remote starter, and also it has a backup camera. So it's equipped with the backup camera. Okay, so these are some of the features that this vehicle here has. It has everything for our comfort as a family. So the question that my subscriber asked me, now you can see why you can't get me out of this vehicle. So it's a great vehicle. In fact, the next video you probably, I think the next video you will see is, I have not changed my brakes in about like 4 years. I felt a little pulsations whenever I'm traveling over 70 miles an hour over the highway. I mean, on the highway. So the next video that you will see, I will change my brakes. I'm going to change out my brake rotors and put new brakes on it. So that will be the next video that you will see. Okay guys, so hopefully you like this video, and please, thank you very much for supporting this channel over the years, and thanks again. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again. Goodbye.